Everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today I've got this how to do this lovely soft crease, and it's a half cut crease. So I'm going to try and use just one palette today, so it's easy for people that want to try out this look. All the products I've used will be in the description bar below. I'll start up with the Louise base, and I'm going to just be tapping that into my lid. It's key to use a base because it just gives a very nice canvas. I'm using my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just taking the color ORB. And I'm going with cotton under the first color, still above the crease. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush. It's like an eyeliner brush, and I'll just cut a line. I'm going to be using the color Rich, and I'm going to use that just under, just to trace out the outer V, and this just helps to give you a line, or literally just above the crease. So where you've got a fold there, just go above it and create a V, if you can, just as I'm doing it. I'm going to take the color Rich, which is the same color I used to kind of cut that line, and kind of start buffing it in and trying to blend it. Still, I'm concentrating on the outer V. So this is my BH Cosmetics brush number 5. I'm going to be taking a color tan just to, and my Stigma E40 brush to kind of smoothing out any hash lines. So I'm just blending the top there. I'm using my Stigma brush and the color Moldy just to smoke up this look, and I'm concentrating on the outer V there just to smoke out the look. Back to the color Rich, and I'm kind of blending it as well, because you don't want any hash lines, you just want it to transition smoothly. I'll go back to the color ORB to smooth out the edges, and I'm gonna go into my Louise base and kind of cut my crease. So I'm using my Louise base, and I'm just cutting a line. I tend to draw a line fast because I feel that will give you like a guide, and I draw the line just above the fold. So where you've got this crease, just go above it, because you want your eyes to, when you open your eyes, you want the eyeshadow to show. So it's kind of, especially if you've got hooded eyes that is a bit folded, so you need to go slightly above the crease. So what I do, I draw a line, and then I follow that line as well, just above the crease. And now I'm trying to diffuse it so there is no hash lines, so I'm kind of phasing it out just lightly at the side there. I'm gonna go back in with my transition shade ORB and tan, and just diffuse the side there, because you don't want any hash lines. I'm gonna go back into Rich as well as use a color Toast to kind of diffuse the side and kind of blend it in. Going back in with the color tan just to blend out the edges, you don't want any hash lines. I'm not going to go in with color Pure, and I'm just going to tap that on the lid wherever I've put the base on. And what I do, I tap, I don't drag it, tap tap tap. I'm gonna go back into ORB and tan and kind of buff out the edges. So there's a smooth transition. You don't want any harsh lines. Go back in with the color Wish and blend the outer V as well. I'm gonna use Twist as well. Then I'm gonna use my eyeliner, Benefit black eyeliner, to kind of I'm gonna use my lashes now, fix my lashes, and this is from Amazon. I'm gonna go back with my liner. I'm gonna go in with my face primer and also color correct my face with the Makeup Forever color corrector in the shade Dark. I'm gonna be using the orange color there to kind of color correct because I've got some dark spots on my face. And yeah, so I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm not gonna go through with my foundation routine. I've got a foundation routine video on my channel. Please check out that video if you want to see how I apply my foundation. All the products I'll be using will be in the description bar below. I used the color Pure for my inner tear duct area, and I also smoked out my under eye with Morphe and all the transition shades. This is now the final look, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thank you so much for sticking around. See you soon. Bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.